Hi guys, my name is Gina Babak. I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach, and traffic lender. I created my Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp to help online marketers start generating new leads and sales daily. So watch this video from the beginning to the end if you want to learn how to make from $100 to $1,000 per day on autopilot. So let's dive in. Okay, so guys, there are many things that, let's say, top online marketers don't tell you, and one of those things is that actually it's not that easy to make $500 per day. Okay. No matter how you try to promote even high-ticket affiliate programs, it's not that easy. It's just not that easy to make 500 or $1,000 per day. But I have a good news for you. So you can start with to join, actually it's just $7 to join Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. And the whole idea of the bootcamp for me was to create the real opportunity for regular people, for simple people like you and me, to start generating high-ticket sales every day. But this is like the backend. You will generate high-ticket sales, but on the backend. But you need to make small sales every day to build your list, to make money, to buy traffic and build your list. Yes, it's cool to use free traffic, okay, but let's be honest, it's not a business. If you're using like free traffic, it's not a business. You cannot call this a business because, I mean, you cannot predict how many traffic or and the leads and sales per day you will have when you use free traffic, okay? This is why actually I created the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. So I will just share with you my results and how it works, okay? So now take a look. My average check is, see, 737.57. 737.757, okay, next 727.57.37, and so on, okay. But from time to time I also make like 499, which is when people buy a VIP membership for the for the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. So the idea is this, guys: when you join Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp, you have access to affiliate program and different levels like 30% and 50%. If you are on the 50% level, just from these three sales of 737, 57, 499, how much is this? 7 plus 37 plus 57 plus 499. You would make $600. Divide this by 2, and this is $300 in profit now. Now you go to Udemy and buy traffic on $300. Let's just find a seller who can offer us good traffic. So for example, this guy has good testimonials and everything. Okay, let's take a look how much traffic we can buy for $300. Okay, guys, for $300 from this guy, you can buy 600 clicks. Okay, from 600 clicks you will make, okay, 30% opt-in rate, so you will make around 180 200 new leads. And this is actually the idea. So with 200 leads, you actually make you can make like a sale each and every day. Just imagine that you can add to your list 200 leads per day, and this is actually predictable business already because you are using paid traffic. Now let me share this with you. Okay, let's imagine that you didn't make this 499, okay, this time, but still, okay, let's 7 plus 37 plus 57, again, this is the average check, it's $101. Divided by 2, it's $50, okay. So you made $50 today just from one guy, from one buyer, and still, how much you can buy? Okay, you can buy 100 clicks already. From 100 clicks, you are making 30 new leads, and from certain new leads, again, you will make 1 or 2 or 3 sales. And some of them can be like 737, some of them can be like 737.57, some of them can be like 737.97. 499. Okay, there are many opportunities here. So this is how the funnel looks like. So see, $7 sales page, 37, 27 email marketing secrets. Traffic rotator 57 or downsell 47. It's when I add your affiliate link to my traffic rotator, so you start generating leads for free. I mean, like for $57. Now, $97 pro membership. It's when you start, when you actually get access to the premium version of the lead generation tool, and from this level you start making 50 plus commission for everything on autopilot. $500 VIP membership and $2,500 my personal coaching and SaaS business. So this is the whole power of the funnel. And again, it all starts from a simple sales page, professionally done with all the testimonials and everything. Okay, so when people simply go through the page, they understand that okay, I can just try for $7, no problem. And again, when they try for $7, just one client can bring you up to $600. I mean, divided by 2 is 300. Okay, but still, can you imagine you have 2 clients like this per day, or 3 clients? And remember, you just reinvest the money which you made into buying a new leads, new traffic. Okay, so this is how you can build your list. And when you have big enough list, okay, like I don't know, 5,000, from 5,000 leads you can make already up to, I don't know, up to from $3,000 to $5,000 per month, just promoting any other programs or this program, doesn't matter, because you have list and the money is in the list, as you already know. So guys, this is a real opportunity for you. And again, another thing which I wanted to share about this, okay, that I'm working on this every day. I just make this better and better and better and better and better every single day. So I want you to consider this like your own business in a box. Okay.
We're in business, definitely! Other side of the home!
Okay. This can be your own business in a box, because anytime, okay, when you start from pro level, you can call me anytime and ask something, or say something, or let's say tell me that, okay, Gina, I think you should add this module. You should delete this information. I should I feel like I need more explanation about this and this and this. No problem. I'm here for you guys. Let's make this viral, because this is the real stuff.
Let me share with you some details.
You don't need to buy high-ticket offers to make high-ticket sales, like you can see from here. Even if you would go on a $7 level and start promoting the affiliate link, you could make money with this easily. Guys, I hope it was useful. If you feel like you need to ask questions to me personally, no problem, just go to facebook.com/affiliaxa or find Gina Babak, and again, I will be in touch with you. Now, I share my results almost every day, like this is today results. I share what I do, how I do. I give you my videos every morning. Okay, from time to time I can have like even $2,000 per day. Per day! What we're talking about. You just need to have a tool that allows you to do this.
How cool is that?
You just need to have a guy to talk to, not the guru guy who will simply sell you something for $1,000 or $9.97 after the auto webinar. You just buy and you still get lost because you are not the marketer yet. Okay, yes, it's easy for him to make money, because I mean he already has the numbers, he has his stats. Okay, so again, this is, and by the way, let me share this with you. Just to create my Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp, I already spent more than $20,000 in 6 months of my life, and I will spend another $20,000 and another 6 months to make it work even better for me and you, because I hate those bloody programs when they simply give you access to training area and this is it. No, we don't do this. You start making, okay, you join affiliate program here, how to become an affiliate, you join affiliate program, and you see how to build your affiliate funnel. This is another step. How to promote your affiliate links. This is another step. But you can anytime, even if you bought something like journal just for $7, okay, I still will talk to you personally, and we will create a business plan just for you to make money for you and your family, building your business. And how you build your business, promoting this program, guys, you build in your list. This is the only real asset for you. You just need to build your list every day. And this tool allows you to make so much money just from one guy who will be joining the bootcamp and who's serious and who has money to invest in his business. Okay, so you can just make so much money, so you can go on Udemy, buy a lot of traffic to build your list faster with paid traffic, but for free. This is the main idea which I wanted to share with you today.